Good morning, class 8th. So, yesterday I discussed with you that your first chapter is about crop production and its management, and we have also discussed about different types of the crops which are grown in India. And I told you that from today I'll start your next rest of the part of the chapter, that is agricultural practices. uh, in means the overview of these steps I told you earlier in the class. Now let's first start with the first practice of first activity which is to be followed in during the um, during agricultural procedure is first one is preparation of the soil. In first step, first of all, the soil is prepared for putting the seeds. How the soil is prepared? Basically, soil is, if the field is left like this, it is not being used for many days, then what happens? The soil becomes very hard. So this soil is to be loosened first of all. To lose the soil, uh, this layer means different layers of the soil should be turned or twisted, and that can be done only when when different layers of the soil are tilted. uh, for this process of preparation of soil, why it is so important? Because all the nutrients are present in the soil in different layers, and as you know, all the layers have different things also. First layer is top layer, which is having humus, and other layers have hard rocks and all. And if the field is left like this, sometimes some weeds grow there, sometimes some rocks are there, and the upper layer becomes very hard also. So if we don't lose the soil, then water will not be absorbed, sunlight will not reach inside the soil, different layers of the soil, and thus seeds will not be germinated. So first step is very important. In this step, the different layers are loosened, and like this there when the soil is loosened, then different types of minerals also gets mixed up. Okay. Now let's see how it is done. The first step, which is the losing of the soil, is done with the help of a plow. Let me show you this. This is a plow. During previous time, agricultural implements are basically the tools which are used for a particular practice for losing the soil, and that soil is also, losing of soil is also known as tilling of the soil or plowing. This step is done by, this process is done by a plow. This you can see, it is made up of wood, and at the corner, at one end, some metal is being used here. So this plow was in previous time, for farmers used to uh, uh, carry the bull or bullocks, and um, they used to carry this plow along with them, and they used to run in the fields. Once they used to run or walk in the field, the soil, different layers of the soil gets mixed up, and whole of the soil, all the nutrients are mixed properly, and the soil becomes loosened so that seeds can be put in. So one such thing is plow. Second thing is hoe. Let's see what is hoe. This one you can see here. it is hoe. It is made up of iron. It has a blade and handle. It is it can be pulled by the animals, and this also loosens the soil. Nowadays this agricultural implement, this tool is being used. This is known as cultivator. See this one, last one, it is there. This cultivator is used and it is being pulled by a tractor. So once the tractor runs on the soil, these cultivators comb different layers of the soil, and these soil layers gets mixed up and becomes loosened. Okay, so for the process of preparation of soil, basically we use hoe, plow or cultivators. Now our next process is sowing of seeds. Okay, what is sowing of seeds? When the soil is loosened, now it has lots of gaps so that seeds can be put in different layers. So process of putting the seeds, if you see, process of putting a seed inside the soil is known as sowing of seeds. This is very important topic, this is very important process, because uh, first of all, these seeds should be placed in a proper depth. Okay, if you put your seeds here on up on just means just below the soil layer, or just it is almost it is on the top layer, then some birds can come and they will eat it up. So this is not good. If you put your seed very deep in the soil, like here it is very deep, then sunlight will not reach, water will not reach. So in that manner also this seed will not be germinated. So if you are putting a seed inside the soil, it should be at a proper depth, so that water can reach here, sunlight can reach here, but insects and birds cannot eat. Okay, so these are some of the conditions that should be followed. And one more thing, seeds should be put at means between means there should be some spaces between them, not overcrowding. If you are putting your seeds like this, then what will happen? Some of the seeds will be germinated, rest of the seeds will be destroyed. So there should be a proper distance between all the seeds. Okay, proper distance between all the seeds. So this is these things are considered before sowing the seeds in the field. Okay, now comes the selection of seeds. Basically, seed selection is uh, done before sowing of the seeds, because it helps in knowing which is a healthy seed. uh, Healthy seeds are the one which are not having any disease. These are not these are not having any disease, or damaged seeds are not sown. So for do this, what farmers do, they put the seeds into the water. They take water bottle and they put the seeds in the water and soak it well, for 4 5 hours. Then these seeds, if any seed is damaged, then it will come on the surface of the water. So damaged seeds can be separated from the healthier ones by this process. Another another advantage of soaking the seeds in a water is because uh, seed coat can be softened. This is the seed coat. Okay, if we put it in the water, then this seed coat becomes soft and the seeds germinate quickly. Okay, so these are two advantages of soaking the seed in water. It helps in selection of healthier ones, and it also helps in germination of the seeds. Okay, now let's see what are different methods by which seeds are sown. First one is traditional tool. Traditional tool, you can see this is a funnel like keep like structure in which they are one farmer is putting in some seeds and another farmer is holding it, and it will be carried with the help of bulls. In this manner also seeds can be sown. One method is by spreading the seeds with the help of hand. That method is known as broadcasting. Broadcasting is another manual method in which farmers used to carry the seeds in their hand and they used to spread it in the field. So, this is another traditional method. Both the methods are not very good because in this manner sometimes seeds can be placed in very nearby places, so there becomes overcrowding of the seeds. Now let's see what is another method. That means the modern method of seed sowing of seeds. This is seed drills. You can see this one is a seed drill. In this one, some you can see it. This is being some seeds are put inside this, and once once it is going to the from the soil from the field, then seeds get inside the soil when it is being carried with the help of tractor. Okay, so this is another method of sowing the seeds using a seed drill. Okay, our next method, our next process which we are going to discuss in next class is adding manures and fertilizers. Once the seed is put inside the soil, then they need extra nutrients, and those extra nutrients they get from either by fertilizers or by manures. So this we will discuss in our next class. Now let us recap our chapter which we have discussed today. Preparation of soil is the first process in which we prepare the soil. We basically lose the soil, we remove rock particles or the large crumbs of the soil with the help of plow and hoe. That is, these are the traditional methods. This process is also known as tilling of the soil. Nowadays cultivators are used which are carried by the tractors. Previously it was done with the help of bulls. Now it is done by the tractors with the help of cultivator. Sowing of seeds is next process which is being done with the help of traditional tool, which is a funnel like structure, funnel like keep. It is a keep which was used by the farmers, or broadcasting method in which the seeds are spread by the hand. And before sowing the seeds are selected. Only the healthier seeds are being sown and the rest of the seeds are never being sown. And for selection of the seeds are put in the water, and then it is put in the soil. Nowadays seed drills are used, and in with the help of seed drills the seeds are put in the soil at a proper distance, and there is no overcrowding of the seeds. Okay, and we will discuss about next step, that is the third step, adding manure and fertilizers, in our next chapter. Okay, thank you class. Now you can do your homework which I have given you. Thank you.